Welcome to Chosen Store YouTube channel. This is Fauzi. So something very essential in summer is what? Sunscreen. We all have to use sunscreen at least for every 2 to 3 hours. Okay, why do we want to use sunscreen first of all? To prevent our skin from suntan, sunburn. So today I'm going to speak about SAFESCREEN sunscreen. So there are 5 variants. Let me tell about it. So today we are going to see about SAFESCREEN, a range of broad spectrum physical sunscreens. As I already mentioned about SAFESCREEN, it is a physical sunscreen which do not contain any chemical filters. In this range of SAFESCREENs, there are 5 variants: Besant, Madras Marina, Brigade Road, Teesta and Charminar. Let me talk about Besant. Something I really love about this, the package. It's very pretty. And yes, what do we every time observe in a sunscreen box? It's SPF. But we forget to notice about PA+, which is very essential for Indian skin. So this has SPF 30+ and PA 4+. So this box of high protection sunscreen contains 50 ml and the cost is $970. Are you struggling with greasy acne prone skin? You can prefer Besant. It absorbs sebum. That gives you a bright and matte finished with no fragrance. SAFESCREEN Besant. The package is really very cute. And I think it's also a travel friendly package. Something you have to do before opening is just massage it gently. Just give a press very gently. Yes. Now I'm going to open it. So I'm going to use it for my face. Just take a little quantity. Don't rub really very hard. Just give a gentle massage. Yes, I've given a complete gentle massage. Yes. And it is really friendly for my skin. I'm not able to see any difference after applying to my skin. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't harm at all. It's so good. As a beginner sunscreen, it is advisable to reapply every 3 to 4 hours in a day. So to remove the Besant sunscreen, it is advisable to use a deep cleanser, which will help you to remove the sunscreen very easily. Now coming to SAFESCREEN Madras Marina. So the package is very beautiful. The name itself shows that this sunscreen is completely favorable for Chennai weather. As now Chennai is really very hot, you can prefer Madras Marina. I just want to use this for my face. I'm going to give a very small pump. Taken a very little quantity. So as when you always use a sunscreen for your face, just give a gentle massage. Don't rub really very hard. And you can take it how much of a quantity you want. I'm taking a little quantity because this is enough because I'm sitting in an indoor. So the next sunscreen I'm going to introduce is SAFESCREEN Brigade Road. SPF is 50+. So this sunscreen can be used by people who are engaged in outdoor activities like sports people. People who are in swimming can also use this. I'm going to use the product because I'm really interested. It has a very sheer finish that will give you a kind of a little glossy look. Pregnancy and nursing women can also use it. I'm using a very little quantity because I'm here in the indoor. So you can use it how much of a quantity is advisable for you. It gives a very sheer finish. I just want to try this for my face. I'm taking a very little quantity. Just apply it gently. So next we are going to see tea star. I just love the color of the wrap. This not only protects your skin from UV rays, but also this reduces pigmentation. Are you suffering from hyperpigmentation? Then your choice must be tea star. This package contains 40 ml and the cost is 2,150. I'm going to unbox this product, as I'm always very curious to unbox. Okay, just have to open this side and then this side, so it will be easy for you to open. The safety tape under, just have to open it, and yes, very pretty. SAFESCREEN tea star. So yes, this contains SPF 40 plus and PA 4 plus. Something very special about this tea star is this contains silymarin. Can be used by people who are suffering from pigmentation, hyperpigmentation in your face or anywhere. This can be preferred. This reduces the pigmentation along with UV protection. So how does this look going to be? Obviously it's no fragrance. This is going to be a slightly tinted sunscreen which has come from silymarin ingredient. So I'm just going to take this and apply for my face. Give a gentle drop. Now I'm going to introduce the multi-functioning sunscreen, Charminar. Okay, this contains SPF of 40 and PA of 4 plus. So this product contains 40 ml and the cost is going to be 2,450. This Charminar contains our star ingredient pycnogenol. This pycnogenol protects you from light emitted from your gadgets and it helps anti-aging. So it's SAFESCREEN Charminar. This is going to give you a silky sheer look. I'm going to use it for my face. I'm going to take it a very little quantity. Let me use it for my forehead. Give a gentle massage. Please do share your feedbacks in the comment. So it's time to like, share and subscribe the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video.